that. First. Alright, put some gas. There you go, there you go. Oh shit! Put it inside. Today we have a fucking problem with the 240. So earlier this morning, I came to turn the car on so it can warm up, and when we were getting ready and everything, the car started overheating, and I was like, what the fuck? I was like freaking out why it was overheating. And once I popped the hood, I saw all the coolant leaking out, and it looked like there's a hole somewhere underneath because I saw it spraying out. So what we're gonna do today is try to fix that hole leaking coolant. So I have like 3 options: repair that hole, order a new radiator hose, cut the hose and move it a little more to the water pump. So that's what we're gonna do today. The original vlog was that I was going to teach my girlfriend how to drive the 240, but let's see how long it takes me to fix this problem. First, I gotta find where the leak is coming from again, because it was early this morning when we did it, and we've been out doing errands and stuff. So I'm gonna turn the car on and see if any of the coolant will start leaking. I mean, it is gonna leak, but that's what we're gonna do. Got the hose off and it's right there. It doesn't look like there's any type of like cuts or mark, but when we had it, it was like spraying from the bottom side. So what I'm gonna do now is just get it super clean as possible, so I can wrap that adhesive tape around it so it won't do it again, and then we'll let the car run and see what happens. So what I'm using right now is just brake clean, just to clean it off. Damn, that's dirty. This is what I got, guys. This is the adhesive tape. It says it can hold anywhere from negative 85 Fahrenheit all the way to 500 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is just assuming once it gets temperature, it's supposed to stick to it, and then yeah. So let's get it back here. Cool, let's just spill it out. So I put everything back, put that adhesive around it. I tried my best to get it on it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the car on, let it run, because it's gonna take a while for it to heat up, and we'll see from there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna overheat because of all the fluid that came out, and I opened the radiator hose from the water pump. So let's see. So we'll give it some time to heat up and stuff, that noise is the belt because coolant got all over it. We'll see what happens in the next 5 to 10 minutes and I'll come back to you guys. This is what it stays at when I drive it around, usually about right here. So I have the heater on full blast and I'm just putting water in it because there's still coolant in there, so I can mix it. It's just gonna suck it right there, boom. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. Just looking around, making sure it's not leaking like it did earlier. And we'll just see what happens from there. Alright guys, so I let the car heat up for about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive it, see what happens. Alright, right now it's doing pretty good. This morning, it was all the way at the H. It was freaking overheating, coolant was coming out. So, turn those pop-up headlights on. It looks like my lights are out, but this one looks like it's out, but it's not. Let me scoot up, because your boy's short. Guys, oh my God. Let me put this back on. Oh, overheating. I'm on the major roads right now. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, it's doing good. I'm surprised I didn't really get any air pockets in the system because I had to take the hose off the water pump and all the coolant fell out. So that's a good thing. That's a plus. What is up, guys? So the 240 is running super good now after I fixed it yesterday because it was leaking coolant. Yesterday I told you guys that I wanted to teach my girlfriend how to drive a standard. So that is what we're doing today. So we're gonna go to an open area. I'm gonna turn the 240 on, let it run, look at it a little bit just to make sure it's not fucking up because yesterday it was driving super good. We went out, ate, drove around, and it was doing pretty good. I don't think there's no problems right now. It seems like that adhesive is working. It seems like it's working, and we'll take a look at it right now. So that is the adhesive that I put on because it was leaking all right there and stuff. So we'll let it warm up. But we'll let the car warm up. My girlfriend's getting ready and stuff, and then we're probably gonna go to the skate park because that place has a big area for her to learn and there's no obstacles in the way. And we were just talking about it last night, how like she's gonna like how the process is, and I told her, it was like, yeah, you're gonna stall, but it's okay. Like, she's all worried about messing up the car, but it's whatever. I mean, it's gonna be a good learning process for her and stuff. It's gonna be fun, and yeah, I'm totally stoked to teach her. I'll check you guys at the skate park once we get there. What is up, guys? Are y'all ready for my girlfriend to learn how to drive stick today? Basically, it's the first time learning how to drive standard. Okay, so you ready? So she has the car on. Put your foot into all the way in the clutch. Okay, put it into gear. Is that first gear?
Yes.
Okay. Now slowly let off the clutch while giving gas. Nope. There you go. No, yes. No, go. Nope. Let off. There you go. Look, give it gas. Give it gas. Give it gas. Give it gas. There you go. There you go. There you go. First try. First try. There you go. Now put clutch all the way in. Second gear. Holy shit, dude. She's a fucking pro. Look at that. Damn it. Turn. Just turn. Don't crash. You can just turn around. Just like go into circles. Can you go that way? You think you could go that way? Yeah. Okay. Now go that way. Remember, don't let the car die. Just give it some gas. All right, try to go to third gear. Foot all the way in the clutch. There you go. Okay.
Now what?
I don't know. Okay, just.
Should I slow down?
All right, try to stop. Put it in neutral. There you go. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm kind of scared now.
Now go. Try again.
Now try again. Now put it in gear. Okay, first. All right, give some gas. There you go. There you go. Oh shit! Put it in second. Put it in second. All right, and then take another turn right here because I don't want you coming over
But I
here.
can't.
Just turn.
I can't.
Oh shit! All right, then stop because we're gonna hit that car.
Where?
Okay.
Around?
I guess you think you got this?
I got this.
All right. Oh shit!
Oh no.
Don't barely let it.
No.
Barely. Slowly. Until you feel it.
No.
No, look.
Yes?
Go. Okay. Just stay in first.
Ow.
Just give it gas. Give it gas, and
I am.
then slowly turn. Slowly turn. There you go. Just try to make it in first gear out in all this. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. You got it? Second. Okay. There you go. All right. There you go. So guys, right now, pause the video, hit that like button, and I'll whip it in the 240 here in the public, and then we have to leave because the cops will come. Because all these people will probably tell on me. All the way in. Well, shit, I thought we were gonna stall out, guys, but never mind. I thought we were gonna have some problems, but I mean, she got it.
I gotta put in park.
You're gonna pick up this, push that button up, push.
Oh.
No.
Not the clutch?
Push that up. Now lift it up. Now let go. Now it's in park. It's not gonna go anywhere. Well, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. She learned too fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was I don't know. It was too easy. You want to end the video? You know how to end the video? This is all you gotta say.
See you later, alligator.
No. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my girlfriend being a perfectionist at driving standards. So don't forget to like, comment, and